That's nice. Oh yeah. Ouch.
People say I'm no good and crazy as a loon, 'cause I get stoned in the morning and I get drunk in the afternoon. Kinda like my old blue tick hound, I like to lay around in the shade. And I ain't got no money, but I damn sure got it made, 'cause I ain't asking nobody for nothing if I can't get it on my own. If you don't like the way I'm living, you just leave this long-haired country boy alone. Preacher man talking on TV, putting down the rock and roll, wants me to send a donation 'cause he's worried about my soul. He said Jesus walked on the water, and I know that it's true, but sometimes I think that preacher man would like to do a little walking too. But I ain't asking nobody for nothing if I can't get it on my own. You don't like the way I'm living, you just leave this long-haired country boy alone. Poor girl wants to marry and a rich girl wants to flirt. A rich man goes to college and a poor man goes to work. A drunkard wants another drink of wine and a politician wants to vote.
Thank God for the power of hydraulics. We're gonna roll these over here and have them ready to throw on the trailer so that Russell can take and get some new tires. The rumors are true that I'm going to sell the backhoe. I really bought the backhoe so I could do this and start on the house, do all the dirt work for the house. I didn't want to pay someone thousands of dollars to come do this when it's something I could do myself, buy the backhoe, do the work, and then sell the backhoe. So that's what's going to happen. I just been using it as a resource to help my friends while I had it. But we still have a lot of work to do, so hang with me. When we're done with this, we're gonna start on the house. So, all right, let's get back to work.
Strong man. Brody, come here.
All right, guys, got the tires back on the backhoe. Boy, that looks good, don't it? About $1,300. I went ahead and took $500 off of what Russell's buying it for, and he paid for the rest of the tires. Very generous of him to do that. She's back ready to work. We got a storm trying to roll in on us. Cooled us off a lot. We might get a little rain. If we do, it won't run us off because it's pretty dry, so no worries. Just go ahead and jump in there and start working. All right, guys, you'd think I'd be smart enough to stop with enough time to show you the progress, but it got dark on us again. We'll be back out here tomorrow. We'll see you then.